good. This didn't happen. I'm sorry.
My bad. I'm sorry.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story features the Seminole County Sheriff's Office. On July 8th, 2021, multiple drivers on County Road 419 called police and fire about a vehicle in the road that was running but was stationary because the driver appeared to be asleep. Who was the driver? Seminole County Sheriff's Captain Kip Beecham. His identity was initially unknown to the deputies that arrived on scene until after they boxed the car in. And after a full minute of pounding on the window, Captain Beecham woke up.
Thank you guys for calling. Can I just get your ID just real quick? They're actually good. Were you the first? Yeah, just the first on scene. Thanks, sir. 5-3-12 for Baba, 1065-1029 by Florida DL. It'll be Hotel 3505 03810. Yeah. Good thing we boxed him in. Okay. Thank you again, buddy. Yeah, you guys. Thanks again. Of course. Thank you, buddy. I know, man. I got to find out. Yeah. You guys got a box that's good. Yeah. Smart. You guys taking him out? No, he said nothing medical. Yeah. I didn't talk to him. You told him. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. You're good. You're good. This didn't happen. I'm sorry.
After a fist bump and a couple laughs, one of the deputies waved the captain off, allowing him to drive home without a sobriety or medical check. Paramedics did arrive on scene, but were also cleared without making contact with the driver. For those of you that don't know, I worked as a medic for 1st Infantry and as a dual-function fireman and paramedic for Los Angeles City Fire. I've personally ran dozens of calls like this one, and 100% of them happened because the driver was overdosed, passed out drunk, or having a medical emergency. When the sheriff's office was questioned about the incident, a spokesperson said that every situation is unique, and it is ultimately the deputy's discretion based on training and experience. I imagine that these deputies were trained by this captain and did not want to experience any ill feelings the next time they worked the same shift, but a spokesperson said the captain showed no signs of impairment or further concerns to the deputies, who according to some local news stations are not under investigation. So what do you think? Would they have allowed you to drive away without an alcohol or medical screening? Was this special treatment, or do you think that this was their standard operating procedure? I'm interested to know your opinion. I'll see you in the comment section.
yourself just be advised. He's got his foot on the brake, and we're boxing him in just in case. Okay.
Thank you guys for calling. Can I just get your ID just real quick? They're actually good. Were you the first? Yeah, just the first on scene. Thank you, sir. 5, 1065, 2092 by Florida DL. Hotel 35019038110. Yeah. Good thing we boxed him in. Okay. Thank you again, brother. Yeah, you guys. Thanks again. Of course. Thank you, brother. There you go. I know, man. I got that. Yeah. Got a box that's good. Yeah. Smart. You guys taking him out? Wheel? No, he said nothing medical? Yeah. I didn't talk to him. Oh my God. You're good. This didn't happen. I'm sorry.
My bad. I'm sorry.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.